Bafethu-ke sisaqhubeka besathithi ibantu education. Emva kwebantu education, emva kokhetho sakhululeka ezweni. Then kwaqala kwaphatha amakhabhinethi amasha. Kwaqala izinto kwaba. Kwafomulethwa yini yaqala kwa-establishwa enye policy-ke manje esizosebenza. Leyo policy-ke abagcineke bekwazi ukuyenza uku-establisha kwathiwa i-outcome-based education, i-OBE. Idume kanjani ngoba ngiyakhumbula nami ngenza umatric wami ngo-2004. I-OBE yayilandela ngemuva abaka-grade 11 babenza i-OBE, thina sisahamba nani nebantu education. I-OBE-ke ake sitholeke ngoba yayikhandwe ngo-1997. Ake sitholeke ukuthi this policy was established in the year 1997 and used in school in 1998. The aim of this policy was to address the curricular division issues that we had during apartheid time about education. This policy was concerned with the objectives of learning, concerned about what learners to be able to do, and what type of citizen they live in, and how we want learners to be like in future after they finish school. It also emphasized that teachers should assist learners to achieve the lesson outcome and become long-term goal of the curriculum. Uyayibona i-OBE kahle yona-ke yayisibhekelele ukuthi umfundi kumele ayithole kanjani i-education, i-information. Ibhekelele kuma-outcomes kahle ukuthi ekugcineni kosuku umfundi kumele azuze something. Yayikade ibhekelele lokho i-OBE. Le policy lena ya-establishwa ukuzo-addressa wonke ama-issues akhandwe yini i-apartheid. I-apartheid yafika nento zayo yasiphoqelela ukuthi sifunde izinto ama-Africans esingawazi ukwenza. Uyabo njengamanje i-OBE yaqhamuka yathi izo-addressa zonke lezi nkinga manje. Uma i-address inkinga iza nalo uhlelo, iza nohlelo lokuthi othisha kumele bawazi ukuthi ba-understande iy'ngane, bayifundise ukuze baphinde futhi bathole ukuthi othisha njengoba benza lento le befundisa iy'ngane bayifuna ukuthi zibe njani, bafuna zize zibe abantu abanjani ekugcineni kosuku. Bafuna iy'ngane zenzeni ama-objectives, ifocus-a nje kuma-objectives lapho ukuthi iy'ngane yikuphi ekumele zikuzuze ekugcineni kwemfundo yazo. Uyayibona into leyo. So ingakho kuthiwa othisha emphasize ukuthi othisha kumele beyisize iy'ngane ukuze zikwazi ukufumana lento kumele zifunde. I-outcome based nje yayibhekelele nalokho ukuthi ingane ithola kanjani information ukuze ikwazi ukuqonda lento eyenzayo. Othisha kumele bebambe isandla lapho bebilekelele ukuze iy'ngane zikwazi ukuthi zibe right. Outcome based yayinjalo. Ayinamsebenzi omningi kakhulu bona. Istikhe kakhulu nje la. Uma ufuna ukufunda ngayo ungayithola ku-Google, ikhona i-information laphana, uyihlanganise, ulinkise ubone ukuthi uzophuma ngani. Njengamanje ake siyobona i-NCS. Ngiyabonga.